So what we have here is a stormwater manhole that discharges stormwater from the local area and discharges onto Takapuna Beach. We've been investigating for a couple of weeks now what's going on in the area. We've identified some issues of wastewater getting into the stormwater system, but also quite a lot of fat getting into the wastewater system as well. So we've been working closely with Auckland Council Healthy Waters, and what we've been able to identify today is seepage of wastewater into the stormwater manhole, and we've identified the source as coming from the toilet blocks behind me here. So our investigations have found we've got some broken pipes potentially leaking wastewater from the toilet area into the ground and then into this manhole here, which ends up on the beach. So we have been informed by Auckland Council that they'll be immediately replacing the private pipes from these toilet blocks that we've seen the issue from. Hopefully that will resolve the issue and we'll get a better swimming season.